Ako pa. Ayan. Thank you, thank you. Sumuko na si Eagle. Ayan. Thank you everyone. Ayan, mag-end na tayo. End na tayo. Wandering Bicolana. Triple in the house. So, it's 179. 179. 120 is 2 hours. So, okay. So, it's almost 3 hours. We'll make it 3 hours. Thank you, thank you. Mag-show up naman po kayo para alam ko kung sino nag-support sa akin. Okay. And what about give me a thumbs up? Ayan. Time is 5:40. Madilim na ang 5:40. Kasi winter na nga eh. So, 180. 60. 120. Also 3 hours na. Okay. Thank you all. And have a nice day. Yan. Uy, ganda, can I be a moderator? You already have moderator. So, Eduardo Nicolas, thank you very much. Eduardo Nicolas. Ayan, mag-auto channel tayo kay Eduardo Nicolas. Dagdagan natin ang kanyang yan. Subscriber. Yum. Ayan, Eduardo Nicolas, nasa iyo si YQR. Mag-end na tayo at madilim na. Madilim na. Kala siguro ni Ayan. Mag-end na po tayo. At madilim na.